In this video, I am going to teach you how to change study mentality. I have met so many students who target to get only passing marks. If the passing marks are 40, they think about getting only 40 marks. And in practice, they prepare for only 50 to 60% of the syllabus. If they are going to appear for a paper of 100 marks, they prepare maybe only 50 or 60%, that is only 50 to 60 marks syllabus. They get only 25 or 30 marks in the papers and they fail. Friends, this is a very big problem with most of the students. This change I've seen in the past 10-15 years, and the targets are very wrong. If you have these very wrong targets, so naturally your focus is to get only 50 marks, and accordingly you are programming yourself to put in less efforts, and of course you get less marks. So wrong targets, less efforts, less marks. This is a sequence. And then once you get into the sequence, you don't come out of the sequence, and you go on repeatedly failing in the exams, wasting your years, wasting your money, lot of frustration, and this has been happening so many times. I have counseled so many students about careers and study techniques. I have met a lot of parents, and I found this problem consistently. So you have to change yourself. If you change, you'll get the results. How do you change? You should have big targets. When you go for the higher standards after the 10, that is 11, 12, the syllabus goes on expanding. If you're studying a professional course, the syllabus is very large. Whatever you might have studied in the 10th standard, almost 10 times the syllabus is there for one subject, and you have to study 5 subjects for the entire semester. This semester is of 6 months, and you repeat it, and you have to repeat everything for the next semester by different subjects. So the study method changes. You cannot attempt 100%, but still you have to have a target of 80 to 90% or 80 to 90 marks. Now what is the change? You start studying to try and complete 100% of the syllabus. You cannot make it, I know that. Many of the students won't make it. But even if you complete 80 to 90% of the syllabus thoroughly, then your target is achieved. When you start revising, you come to know that you can remember this. You can recall these topics. You can recall the examples. You can remember the text. You can remember the entire procedure. This is a big change. So you can attempt at least 70 to 80% of the paper. And if you write it correctly, then you can get at least 60-65% marks. Friends, this is a big change you have to make. I have made this video particularly to make you aware, because of you have got very wrong targets, so you have to change. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel Online Classes. Click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.